Okay, Assalamualaikum and good evening. Okay, so my name is Wan Muhammad Izzat Azrai, number matric 265094. Okay, so today I will ask about the coding. Okay. Okay, so my project title is missing item system. I need to make one system that be able to register missing item system information such as item type, description, time found, location found, and etc. Okay, so for the first, okay, JFrame. Okay, this is coding to make a frame for your interface. So JLabel, this is a name for your interface ID number, item type, time found, location found, description, and phone number. And then this coding for JText field. Okay. And coding for button, which is we have 4 button: add button, delete button, search button, update button, and exit button. 5. Okay, so this JTable coding for make a table creation. You can change this to add or to add your table. Okay, so this J button add addition listener, string ID, string type. So in this J button add, when okay, we have a prerequisite like description should contain more than 3 character, ID should only contain integer, this for integer, this for ID, and this for description. Okay, so for button delete, user needs to enter ID number to make a system can read the data, so the system can approve what user need. Okay, next for button search. For button search, same like button delete, users need to enter ID, so this coding for enter ID. So user can find what they want with this search based on ID number. Okay, and then for J button update. Okay, for J button update, users can only change type, time, location, description, and phone number. Users cannot change ID because this is coding that equal in no case, so which mean that we can change ID. Okay, so for just button exit, just for exit button, and then read data, override. Okay, the next for read data. Okay, this is the command read data from data.text and display on table. So this is coding for write data and read data. So this will write your data and display on interface. So this is important part in GUI. And then this, okay. So for this coding, we have 2 Java class, which is item and login. Okay, so for item Java, we use get setter method. So this item string ID name right here. Okay, so return get description for number set, and then for login, okay, we choose this. Okay, in this login part, okay, this is important part. In this coding, you can change your username and password. is set up username and password. And then if user enter the incorrect password, the system will display wrong password and username. Okay, so okay, we run it. We run it. Okay, we run. Okay, so for name, Izzat. Okay. So the password is 12345 6. So if user enter the incorrect password, the interface will display wrong password username. So user need to enter again until they get the right password. So if we enter the right password, 12345 6 again. Okay. If user enter the correct password, the interface will bring user to that interface data. So here we can fill the ID number, item type, time found, location found, description, phone number. Okay, this is phone number, that important part lah. Okay, for ID number, for example, we type 1 2 2 3 4, item type, phone, time found, location, simat, description, floor 1, and phone number. Okay, can insert, can okay, for insert, when user click insert, the data will write and save on this table. Okay, for example, if we not use ID number, we fill the alphabet. Okay, for insert, the interface will display message ideal should only contain integer. Okay. Okay, and then for next, for phone number, if we still click the alphabet, the system will display ID should only contain integer. Oh, this wait, jap. 1 2 4 5 5 6. Okay, set. Okay, phone number, we can just click what you want. Okay, like, okay, next, for because we don't have any coding for phone number. Okay, just focus on description and integer. Description have okay, description should only contain more than 3 character. Integer ID should only contain integer. So just description and ID, we don't have phone number here. Okay, so continue to this. Okay, next, for delete, the interface will display the as confirmation for user. So user need to enter ID number to delete. Okay, for example, 1 2 2 3 4, 1 2 2 3 4. Okay, delete. So the data have been deleted. Okay, so for search, we can choose, for example, and still fill the ID 1 2 4 5 5 6. Okay, if found, because we have a data ni. Okay, so if we search data that we don't have, like 1 2 3 4 5, the interface will display message not found. Okay, so for update, okay, first we choose this. Okay, so for update, we can only change the item type, time found, location found, description, and phone number. ID number we cannot change because in this coding, wait, okay, this coding for delete, for update. Okay, this coding for update, get ID dot equals in no case, so which mean we cannot change the ID, just item type, time found, location found, description, and phone number. Okay, so we can change to phone, we change to tablet. Okay, so we just update the system will display message update. Okay, so you can look this item change to tablet. Okay, so if we delete this and run again and put the password is 1 2 3 4 5 6, the data still here. Okay, which means that this coding save the data. Okay, that's all. Thank you.